How to create group chat on Messenger. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you have to head over to your application Messenger. Make sure that you are using the updated version. So simply move into Messenger, enter your login credentials and log in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now in order for you to create a group chat, you simply have to click on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the option of group chat. Click on it. Select the people or search for the name of the people that you want to add to the group chat. Let me search for it right now in the address bar. Search and choose all the name that you want to add. Once done, click on Next at the top right corner. Enter the name of the group that you want to. Once done, click on Create at the top right corner. And there you go, the group chat has been created on Messenger. Now you can send the text from here. The people in this chat will be able to view your text and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.